How to add a payment method in Fiverr. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Then after, head to the official website of Fiverr. Log in with your account details and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you do, from the menu go to Bills and Payment. In the next page, you will be heading toward the details of your payment. Simply click on Payment Methods. Then after, you will see the option of Add a Payment Method. Simply click on it and a window will appear. Because till the date, this application has only the feature to add a payment method in PayPal. So in order to complete your PayPal registration, you will be transferred over to PayPal secure servers. So simply click on PayPal and then you will be heading toward the server of PayPal where you can add a payment method of yourself. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.